Okay, no sharp knife.
This is rounded edge, so this completely dull. Horse is white, pink is fine.
Yeah, I don't think it did anything to it.
Similar sharpness, what the hell? That's why I wouldn't even call this a pull-through sharpener. It's just a honing gadget. And there's way cheaper options and even better options out there. Cheaper price. So stupid, what the fuck? But let's actually run this knife on a pull-through sharpener. Pro edge, 16 degrees. See if the result will change. Sharpness test.
Oh, 60.
Sharp knife, because you actually need to take material off from both sides of the blade. If your knives are cheap, soft, use a pro edge. These are expensive, and if your knife is really dull, no way they're gonna work. 不一样。